Welcome to Students Academy. Today in this video what we are going to see is it will be one of the useful video for a YouTuber. Yeah, let us move on to a video later. Before that I would be saying in a nutshell what are the things covered in a video. I'm going to say in a nutshell. In this video we will be discussing about how to start up a YouTube channel. I'm no longer a YouTube creator. I want to be a YouTube creator. How can I start up my channel? So this video covers the primary steps like how to start up an YouTube channel with an email ID, how to create a channel, then how to upload a video, then how to edit a title, give a description, and we will be having so useful contents in this video. And I have bought this video for mainly helping a person who doesn't know A to Z about YouTube, who doesn't know how to create a video. It will be a user-friendly video so that anyone from anywhere can easily get the idea of creating a YouTube channel and how to upload. Likewise, we will be discussing in this video. Hi friends, I hope the introduction was much more better, but to make things still more simpler, we are having a video. Let us look on the video. Meanwhile, I will say what are the primary requirements to start up a YouTube channel. First thing is you have to have a proper Gmail account. Then you must have a YouTube application. Some mobile phones offer YouTube application within their inbuilt itself. They are providing that option. But some phone doesn't have that. So what you have to do in that case is you have to go to Play Store. Then you will be finding several options like apps, games, everything will be there. In the apps column, you have to search for YouTube. Then YouTube app will be appearing. You have to install it. After installing it, you have to log into YouTube with your created Gmail account. Once you do all these steps, the screen will be appearing like this. At the top right end, you are having a profile column. Click on it. You will be having several options. In that, you will be finding your channel. So click on it. In your channel, once you click, the dialog box will be open like this. After that, you have to create the channel. Once you created the channel, the screen will be appearing like this. After you create the channel, you have to upload a video or shorts or go live. These three options will be there. For creating a short, what you have to do is you have to click that options. Then the screen will be appearing like this. If you want to upload some pre-recorded video in the sense, what you have to do is upload your video. Then automatically it directs to your gallery. You have to select which video you want to upload. You can select it and then click on it. Once you do that, then you have to click next. In that the screen appears like this. You will be having several options like edit title, then add descriptions, add locations, add playlist. You have several options in it. Once you click edit title, you have to give your title. Then you have to add descriptions. Then the primary important thing is that in the visibility mode, you have to select either it is public or private. You have to select that, and after that your screen will be directing to with the options like upload. When you click on upload, your video will be automatically uploaded. You can see and share the link. Thank you. Hi friends, I hope the introduction was much more better, but to make things still more simpler, we are having a video. Let us look on the video. Meanwhile, I will say what